Good morning. All right. So there's been a lot of confusion on how do I find an appointment for morning or afternoon tutorials. So from your Canvas homepage, you're going to come over here to your calendar. Once you click your calendar, it will show you what is due in this class for the most part and what's happening. When you come over to the far right hand screen, you'll find this small calendar with appointments and find appointment. When you click on find appointment, you need to select what course you're looking for. So in art or any course, if your other teachers are using these, so you're going to select your art course, hit submit, and then it brings up all the appointments that I have set for the week. And so you can see that I'm going to have tutorials Monday morning, Tuesday afternoon, and Thursday morning. And so then you can then click on that and you have the ability to reserve. And so you want to reserve your time slot, and then it lets me know that you're coming. And that is how you book an appointment or let me know that you're coming to tutorials. So hope that helps you guys. And then you can just hit close and then you're done. And that's that. So once you hit reserve and submit, you're good. I hope that helps you. Bye.